Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are all good. In today's video, I'm going to be opening December 1st in my Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar. Now, Charlie's Nail Art, they very kindly gifted me this as I've been an ambassador for them for quite a while now. So they included this super sweet little note and I wanted to say a huge thank you for this. It's such a beautiful gift. So I thought what I would do is on my YouTube channel, I would open each day and do a little design using whatever is in that day. So of course today is December 1st, so let's take a look at what is in bag number 1. I just wanted to also say I absolutely loved how this was packaged. It's such a beautiful gift and it has such a lovely luxurious feel. Now these were on the Charlie's Nail Art website to purchase, so if you got one and you haven't yet opened today's, then look away now. So each one of these items are also released on the Charlie's Nail Art website on this day. So today this one is now up on sale to the general public. So for December 1st, we have a beautiful foil. Now I absolutely love the Charlie's Nail Art transfer foils. I always find them really easy to work with. So this one is called Christmas Joy. So let's take a look at what it looks like. And I did also just want to mention I do have a discount code for Charlie's Nail Art, which is ENA10, all capital letters. It is always linked in the description box below, and I'll link in the Charlie's Nail Art website as well. So if you do want to head on over and purchase this foil, you can do. And they also have lots of other amazing nail art items on their website. So this is the foil. As you can see, it's filled with pretty Christmas designs. I love that you've got quite a variety because you could pick and choose out just single images if you wanted to, or you could use it as a full cover foil. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a simple acrylic design using that foil. I'm going to also incorporate some glitter in there as well. So I'm coming in first of all with this super bright red acrylic from Modelones. I will leave the number for this one linked in the description box below because I can't remember it off the top of my head, but it is a very pigmented Christmassy red, so I thought it was perfect to team up with the Christmas Joy foil. As you can see, I've placed that first bead down at the cuticle area and I'm just painting this colour on because I'm going to be adding some glitter on the top. I don't want to build up too much thickness with the colour because we are going to be encapsulating in clear. So I'm just coming on with my second bead of acrylic, pretty much doing exactly the same, just painting that colour all the way down to the very tip of the nail. And then I am going to come in with another small bead of acrylic just to build it up a little bit more where it was looking a little bit patchy. Now I have left this video in real time so you guys can see how I work. It was requested a while ago for more real-time videos and I don't really get the time to do as many videos lately. So when I do these more sort of one now designs, I'm going to try and leave those in real time for you guys. I'm then going to start coming in with my glitters. So I'm starting off with this iridescent glitter mix. Now I'm not sure where this is from. This is one I've just had in my nail art kit for ages, but I've picked it up with a teeny tiny bead of clear acrylic and I'm just placing that down at the cuticle area and then gently fading it down the nail. I don't want to cover too much of the tip of the nail as that's where I'm going to be focusing my foil. So I'm just kind of focusing the glitter at that very cuticle and natural nail bed area. Then over the top of this, I'm going to come in with some of the Charlie's Nail Art glitter dots. Now, because the glitter dots are quite chunky, that's why I decided to put the iridescent mix down first, just so you had that extra pop of sparkle. So I believe these glitter dots are the amber glitter dot mix. As always, like I said, I'll pop the link for the Charlie's Nail Art website in my description box below, along with any other products I've used. So I'm just picking up these glitter dots using my wet brush and I'm just placing them down on the top of that finer glitter mix. Because I applied the finer glitter mix with a small bead of clear acrylic, it's still tacky enough to stick these glitter dots in place. And I just did it this way because I didn't want to apply too many of the glitter dots. I just wanted them to fade over that iridescent mix. Then using my wet brush, I'm just picking up certain size dots that I want. Like I said, it's quite a chunky mix, so a lot of the dots in this mix are quite large, but I usually just tip a few out into a little dish and then I'm able to pick up the smaller or the larger ones, or if there's a specific colour and then place them down as I need to. So I'm just taking a look at the nail at this point, moving things around until I feel as though it looks appealing to the eye. And then I'm just going to tap on a few here and there until I'm happy with their placement. Then I did leave that for a couple of minutes to dry, just so those glitter pieces hold in place and don't move around or when it comes to encapsulating. So I'm then going to encapsulate the nail using the Modelones clear acrylic. So I've popped a medium-sized bead down at that cuticle and apex area, and I'm just blending this out, and then I'm going to come in with another bead to encapsulate the tip end of the nail. Now I haven't done a too thick encapsulation layer because it is just a display tip. If I was working on myself or if you were working on a client, then when you are doing your encapsulation, that's when you're going to focus on building up your strength and structure. So you would probably do a slightly thicker layer than what I have done here. So this is what that now looks like once it has been encapsulated, and you can see the iridescent glitter gives off that beautiful green effect, which looks fab over the red base. Off camera, I then give this now a little bit of a file just to make sure I had a nice smooth surface to work on top of. And then I'm going to come in with my foil gel. Now I'm using the Kiki London foil gel. This is my absolute go-to when it comes to a foil gel. It's amazing, and I find that I get great coverage with my foils every single time. So I've cured that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to immediately press my foil down. So I'm just lining that foil up, getting it positioned where I want it to go. And then I'm just focusing on getting that deer and the snowflake down. I'm not worrying too much about the other images because they were the two main images I wanted to pop down on this nail. So once I've popped my foil into place, I'm going to take my Kiki London silicone tool and just start really pressing that foil down, making sure it's made good contact with the foil gel underneath. Once the foil gel's cured, it leaves a super tacky layer, and that's what grabs on to your foils and pulls those images off. So then once I felt as though that's adhered, I'm going to very slowly peel that back. And then this is what the nail looks like. So I really loved how you got the pop of the foil from the snowflake going over the glitter as well. But like I said, my main focus was that little deer. I thought it looked super cute. So now that our design is finished, we're ready to come in and top coat. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of top coat to the entire nail, and then I'll pop this in to cure for 60 seconds. And that, guys, is the end of today's design. So as I said, I will have daily videos for the Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar. So I will try and do a mix of acrylic, gel polish, and maybe even some polygel designs as well. But if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of those videos. And of course, don't forget to check out the Charlie's Nail Art website if you are looking for any amazing nail art items to fill your collection with. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I hope you're all keeping safe and well and in the festive spirit. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment below. Lots of love. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.